Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 225 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to download and install the Garmin Connect application on your iPhone. As you can see, I already have it installed, but if you need to install it, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on search, then tap on search bar and type in Garmin Connect, and then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect. Then you can tap on the download button to download and install it. After you install the application, go to your watch and enter the pairing mode on it. To do it, press the right upper button and then press it again to unlock the watch. Then use the down button to scroll through the menu, select the settings option, and once you select it, press the right upper button to enter. Then scroll through the menu again, find the option called Bluetooth, select it and press the right upper button, then scroll down, select pair mobile device, press the right upper button, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now open the Garmin Connect application, log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, tap on create account button and make a new one. Already have one, so I'm gonna check the box right here and tap next and enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on next to log in. And after you log in, the app may start looking for the nearby devices automatically, because if you don't have any devices connected to your account, it will basically start searching for the nearby devices. If it does, it probably won't find your watch, because this watch is quite old. So what we need to do is to wait until this screen appears, tap on browse all compatible devices, tap on Forerunner, and here you should see the Forerunner 225. As you can see, the watch left the pairing mode, so I'm gonna re-enter it like this. Then tap on the Forerunner 225. You can set up your profile right here. Once you're done, tap on next, tap on start. Now we can tap on dismiss, and now you should see the My Day page, and on it you should see your watch right here. You can tap on more, Garmin devices, and you should see your Forerunner 225. You can also tap on it to open the device page for it. As you can see, it says connected, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.